Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I said that, and I know how much I missed being here and how much I missed recording videos, but there was some mix and match with my videos because I traveled like a while back and I just left my memory card here. I recorded 2 videos, wanted to take my videos along with me so that I can edit on the go and make sure that there's videos for you. But there's been a slight error in that because I left my memory card here and there was no video for me to edit at all. And when I came back, I just wanted like a short mental health break. So I took that because it is very important to listen to yourself and take breaks whenever you want to, because as content creators we tend to overwork sometimes, overcompensate sometimes. We don't take enough breaks. That's one big con that I feel when you are a content creator. So when I knew that I wanted a break, I just took it, and that's why you wouldn't see any videos for the last 2 weeks. But I'm back now for good, and I'm not leaving anytime soon, and there's so much content coming your way. I can't even start to tell you the kind of content that's coming your way. So in today's video I created this soft glowy kind of a makeup look for Valentine's Day. And before we continue with the makeup tutorial, let me just quickly say something. Valentine's Day is just about the hype. So even if you're single, don't worry, don't be too sad that you don't have a Valentine. You can be your own Valentine. Just take yourself out on a coffee date and enjoy with yourself. Take a break. I think it's coming on a Sunday anyway, so apply a hair mask, put on a sheet mask, and just take care of yourself for the entire day. Just celebrate yourself on that day. So yeah, so without any further delay, let's start with the makeup tutorial. Before which, just go to my description box, go to my Instagram handle, because I'm co-hosting a beautiful giveaway for Valentine's Day, which is all about self-love, so you don't want to miss it. Just go to my Instagram handle and enter the giveaway. I will see you all there. Now let's start. I have cleansed and toned my skin, and now for moisturizer I'm going to start with the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. For today's primer, I'm going to use the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer Water. This is in the variant called Quench Me. I'm not going to pat or use my beauty blender to set my primer. I'm going to let it sit on my skin and let it absorb by itself. Meanwhile, I'll complete one eye and then be right back, because we're going to be starting with eye makeup today. Like always, I completed my left eye off camera, and we're going to do the right eye together. First of all, for brows, I'm going to be using the E.L.F Instant Lift Brow Pencil. And for eyeshadows, I'm going to be using both palettes from E.L.F. This is the E.L.F bite-sized eyeshadow palettes. I have one in Berry Bad and the other one is called Rose Water. So let me just show you a quick close-up of the shadows. This one is Berry Bad and this one is Rose Water. One is like a cool tone palette and the other one is a neutral to warm tone palette. So only with these 2 palettes I created this look right here, which is a very easy soft pink eye makeup. So yeah, let's start with brows first. First, I'm going to take the palette called Very Bad and I'm just going to pick up this shimmer shade, which is like a burgundy plum kind of a shade, and I'm going to pick it up with a brush like this. It's a small flat brush, and for today's makeup I'm going to be starting with a lid shade, which is so not me, but I'm just going to try and do it that way. I know it looks a little bit harsh right now, but we can work with it. Now taking the other palette, which is called Rose Water, I'm going to be picking up this champagne silver shade and just add it above this berry shade. will not only soften the look but also give a very light pop of color to it. Now with a flat kind of a brush like this, I'm going to pick up this shade right here. This is a matte, very neutral light brown shade. I'm going to add it in the crease and also soften this shade. From the same palette, I'm going to be picking up this dark brown shade with a slightly denser brush and apply it on my outer corner to give it a slight smokiness. I know I want to keep the look very subtle, but that extra pop of dark brown will just add some oomph to the look. Now coming back to the base makeup, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm just going to mix a little bit of the Loreal True Match Lumi Liquid Illuminator just to give a very glowy finish. Concealer, I'm going to pick up the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Pure Beige. I'm going to be applying it only under my eyes, just on the inner corner area, because I don't have a lot of dark circles going on, touch wood. So I'm just going to apply it only on the inner corner. I don't like to conceal all over my face. I'm not going to powder my face yet because I'm going to be using some cream products first. I'm not going to use any bronzer today because we are going for a very soft makeup look, and when you contour or bronze you will definitely get a very chiseled look, which I'm not going for today. And for today's blush, I do have my sugar blush right here. But for today's blush, I'm going to be using L'Oreal Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick in the shade 121. I choose as my blush today. You can do that with your lipsticks. If you have liquid lipsticks or bullet lipsticks, you can take some and apply it as your blush, and it looks so beautiful. And this shade in particular acts as a very beautiful pink, glowing blush. So I'm going to be doing that today. see the beautiful flush the lipstick has given. Of course, you have to blend it properly, otherwise it can form like a blotch. But that's why I took it in the back of my hand and then used a beauty blender to apply it. You can directly apply with your fingers, but you can do that with a tint. But with lipstick, I'm not so sure because it might move your foundation. So this is a very good way to apply your lipstick as blush. If I want, I'll add some more by the end of the look, but I think this should be fine. Now for highlighter, I'm going to be using a cream product again. The highlighter is from the brand called Daughter Earth. Ankita recently collaborated with Daughter Earth and they came up with this beautiful illuminating highlighter. It gives a very soft glow, that glow from within kind of a look. So I'm going to be using this for today's makeup. So can you see the kind of glow that this highlighter gives? That's the kind of look I'm going for today. So I will leave the product link of all the products that I used today in the description box below so that you can check it out. Now moving back to eye makeup, I'm going to be completing the eye makeup with a little bit of kajal and some mascara. I don't think I'm going for any eyeliner today because we have very minimal eyeshadow game going on, and if I do like an eyeliner, it's gonna hide the eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna leave the lids plain and complete my kajal and mascara off camera and be right back. For lipsticks, you can go for any shade as per your wish. It could be the classic red lipstick or pink lipstick or any shade that you want. But my only suggestion would be to use a bullet lipstick rather than a liquid lipstick, because if you want to touch up after a while, applying or reapplying a bullet lipstick will be easier than a liquid lipstick. So there's a tip there. For today's video, I'm going to be using the Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick in the shade Rosy Sunday. It's a very beautiful terracotta kind of. It has pink, it has red. It is a very beautiful shade. Let me go give a quick hand swatch. This is how the shade looks. It looks so pretty. Deepti Desikan said in one of her videos that there's a very unique shade, and I have to agree with that. So you can line your lips before this, but I like this lipstick just by itself, so I'm just going to directly apply this. This is such a beautiful shade, and I really can't describe how the shade looks. Like I said, it has pink, it has red, it has some tinge of nude in it, but such a pretty shade actually. And the application, like you saw, is very easy. I did apply a very little bit of lip balm underneath, but you can touch this up without any difficulty. So yeah, I really like how the shade looks. So this is the final look, and I hope you enjoyed watching this look. If you happen to recreate this look, then make sure to tag me. I will leave my Instagram handle in the description box below. I would love to see your recreation of this look. I'll see you all again in another video. There's so much content coming your way, so much lipstick swatches, one brand tutorials. I don't want to give everything away, but there are some amazing content coming your way and you don't want to miss it. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that you can be the first one to watch whenever I upload. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye.